Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome pop-ups not blocking. So, getting annoying pop-ups in Chrome even though the blocker is turned on? Yeah, that shouldn't be happening. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Chrome pop-ups not blocking step by step. So first, open Google Chrome, then click on the three dots in the top right corner. Now, scroll down and go to Settings. After that, click Privacy and Security. Now select on Site Settings, just below Security option. So click on Site Settings. Now scroll down and click Pop-ups and Redirects. So scroll down until you see Content and hover over Pop-ups and Redirect. So tap on that and make sure it is set to Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. If it's already turned on, don't worry, we're not done yet. Sometimes pop-ups still appear because certain sites are whitelisted. So in the same section, look under Allow to send pop-ups. Now remove any suspicious or unnecessary websites if you see it in here. So just remove that. You can just click the three dots next to a site and then click on Remove if it's available. Next, pop-ups are often caused by browser extensions. So again, go to the three dots at the top right. Now scroll down and go ahead to Extensions, then tap on Manage Extensions. Then in here, disable or remove anything you don't recognize, especially ad-related or tool extensions, something like not paid. So if unsure, turn them off one by one and test. Next, corrupted data can cause issues. So we need to clear cache and data. So click on the three dots again and go to Settings. Now on Settings, click on Privacy and Security. Now in here, tap on Delete Browsing Data. Then select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cache Images and Files. Then click Delete Data. Now if nothing works, you need to go to Settings, scroll down, and click on Reset Settings right here. Then select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Then tap on Reset Settings. So this won't delete bookmarks, but it resets extensions and settings. Now, if pop-ups are still showing, your system might have adware. So you can use Chrome's built-in cleanup tool or a trusted antivirus. And that's how you can fix Chrome pop-ups not blocking. Most of the time, it's either a setting, an extension, or a site permission causing the issue. So fix those and your browsing should be clean again. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.